BKX CQS 120 lab automatic glassware washer. Compact size for use on table, high space utilization and easy to use. Printing cleaning records can be saved for traceability management. It adopts 7-inch color touchscreen. There are 11 fixed programs and 4 custom programs to meet a variety of cleaning needs. Real-time display of water temperature and air temperature. Clear cleaning process. Perfect protection function to ensure the safety of personal and utensils with high cleanliness. Built-in HEPA filter to prevent secondary contamination during the drying process. Make cleaning efficient starting in your lab.